Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube channel profile picture. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask you, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I'm already on YouTube right here. So to change your profile picture or your YouTube profile picture, you have to access your YouTube studio, and to do that, just come here. So once you click on that, and then you can open it up, and then just click on your YouTube studio right there. So now this should be opening up on your YouTube studio homepage right here. So now I just want you to come here and then scroll down and then click on customization, and then this should be opening up. So now I want you to click on branding, right? Click on there, and then as you can see, this is where you can change your profile picture, right? Your profile picture will appear where channel is represented, right? So just click on change, and then this window should be opening up. So now you can go through your computer to find the picture that you want to use. Let's say maybe you want to use, let's just say you want to use this. Let's pick that one. So now click on OK, and then as you can see, you have this, so you can crop it in the way you want it to appear, right? Let me just say maybe like that, right? So once you have it like that, the way you want it, just click on done, right? And then as you can see, you got it right there. So now just click on publish, right? Once you click on publish, it will be published, right? As you can see, change published. So as you can see, it have been changed. Your profile picture has been changed. So yeah, that's how you can change your YouTube channel profile picture. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.